Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're comparing the three most common options: Victaulic couplings, flanges, and tri-clamps. Let's start with Victaulic, or grooved couplings. Their biggest advantage is installation speed. Because they use a mechanical housing with a self-centering gasket, they are incredibly fast to assemble and disassemble, minimizing system downtime during filter changeouts. They also offer slight flexibility, which helps absorb pipeline thermal expansion and misalignment. However, they do require standard grooved pipe ends, and the elastomeric gaskets have specific temperature limits. Next is the flanged connection, the heavy-duty benchmark for industrial piping. If your filtration process operates under high pressures or extreme temperatures, flanges are the gold standard. They rely on multiple compressed bolts to deliver an exceptionally robust, leak-proof seal. The downside? Flanges are bulky and heavy. Installation is labor-intensive because you have to torque multiple bolts evenly, which can slow down routine maintenance and cleaning. Finally, we have the tri-clamp connection, also known as a sanitary fitting. This design is built for high-purity applications where contamination is a zero-tolerance issue. The mating surfaces are perfectly flush, leaving no threads or dead spaces for particulates or bacteria to trap. Best of all, they are tool-free. You just spin the wing nut to secure the clamp, making it the easiest to clean. Keep in mind though, they are limited to lower pressure ratings and smaller diameters compared to flanges. To sum up your choice, select Victaulic for quick assembly and piping flexibility. Choose flanges for high-pressure, heavy-duty engineering. Go with tri-clamps for high-purity, easy-to-clean processes. We manufacture a wide range of industrial filter housings compatible with all three connection standards. Contact our team to match the right specs for your next project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide with your team.